Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes 100% disk usage Windows 11 fix. First step is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Sysmagin service, click stop the service, change startup type to disabled, click apply, click OK. Open Connected Devices Platform Service, click Stop the Service, change Startup Type to Disabled, click Apply, click OK. Second step is Open File Explorer. Right-click C Drive, click Properties. Click Tools, click Optimize. Click Turn On, check Run on a Schedule, click OK. Click Change Settings, uncheck Run on a Schedule, click OK. Third step is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Click Startup tab, disable all starting apps. Fourth step is click Start, Settings, click Windows Update. Click Check for updates. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.